Bubblegum. Sangkit pa ng song.
Skin starts with deep cleansing. Try Nivea Extra Bright to remove 100% makeup and dirt. Powered with micellar technology and infused with
Good
pearl and licorice
evening.
extract.
Good
For radiant
evening,
skin in as early as
Yuri.
7 days. Say hello to
Good
beautiful,
evening
clean,
sa
and bright
inyong
skin from
lahat.
Nivea.
Continuation. Stop dance ba to? Drama. Cinnamon. Thank you. Thank you, Jane Patrick. Thank you. Oh, ba't nasa gitna agad? Bubblegum. Baby, would you like that? Baby, would you like that? Thank you, Conando. How do I read your name po? Si ano pala to? Si Kuya Marlon. Clariel, my idol, my strength, my everything. Wow. Thank you. Thank you, Kim. Parang ano. Thank you. Ano ba nung... Yes. Alam niyo po ba, nung time na film ko po yung top 5 MNL song dance cover. Andun si Ate Abby, like, na-miss ko yung kung paano niya ako tinuturuan mag-dance, paano ba yung high tension, nakaka-miss po. And super pretty ni Ate Abby. It was nice meeting her again. Yes, it is her studio. Napakaganda po na studio niya. Kaya kapag meron kayong mga photoshoot or naghahanap kayo ng studio, dance studio, ganyan, i-book nyo na po ang studio ni Ate Abby. Can you reco blush? Ako kasi, yung blush ko, mayroon ako kasing eyeshadow sa Peripera na ayun lang yung ginagamit ko as a blush. Or kaya sometimes, para mga lip tint lang. Pero more on like Peripera yung ginagamit ko na sa blush, sa lips, eyes, everything. Peripera lover. Thank you, Jane Patrick. Ikaw mismo pumunta sa studio? Yes! Ako po. Thank you, Jane Patrick. Jane Patrick. Ay! Arigato.
Free version checks basic spelling and grammar. Grammarly Premium, on the other hand, provides in-depth writing feedback to help you be more clear and concise, and it even
Ganyan tawag sa akin nung bata ako eh.
suggestions. What I love about Grammarly is it works almost everywhere. It's so helpful for me because you can read your paper like 20 times, but the moment you submit it, you
Yung mga
read it
kitty
fast. I'm like,
songs.
how did I not spot those mistakes? Before, I used to reread my emails and my papers like 20 times, but now because of Grammarly, I only reread it
Ano ba
once.
yung Lucky
I find all the
syndrome?
mistakes that Grammarly pointed out, and then I read it.
Lucky.
So much time. I also love Grammarly because it provides suggestions on word choice. What I love about Grammarly
Grabe, may ads. Pero ba't
Playlists are a window into your world. Listen to every song, ad-free and uninterrupted, with Spotify Premium. Explore 3 months
Hey
for
ya, oh yeah, oo nga
149
pala.
pesos,
Replay ko
and
dapat
cancel
kanina
anytime.
yun eh.
Tap the banner to
Hey
learn
ya.
more. Let's get it. Let's get it. Pay attention. 어려부터는 모두 해볼까 놀라보랬더니 심장 말이야 맘에 들어서 너 그냥 say yes 내가 너 부르면 너
Wala, pwede ito pang ano, oh, Zumba. Ay, Zumba.
Check it out.
Hey, 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 hey. Yes, ang ganda. Parang mapapasayaw ka. Tapos kapag nakahiga ka, Happy Fiesta May 1. Yes, happy May 1. Ay, paano ang Jim Selvin? Hey, ay, hindi. Paano ba yung Jim Selvin? Jim Selvin. Ay, latata pala yun. Watching from Korea. 안녕하세요.
Ever after? Nope.
Nawala. Heya, 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 heya. Mamaya patugtugin natin yung ano, yung Asuka. Yung Asuka na kanta. Tugtugin natin after netong Heya. Got 7 Bamba. Birthday bukas na. Oh yeah. Oh. Mahulog aking sipi. Heya, heya, heya. Yung TikTok natin yan. Siyempre, may entry din tayo, di ba? Oh! Magagulat kayo sa entry ko. Yeah. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wow, wait for it. Heya, 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 heya. Hi, Claria. Hello, Harvey. Annyeong. Paano ang gulat? Sabaw kanin. Oh my gosh! Ganon. Ganon magiging reaction. Ano to? Ganon. What is this? Are you a K-pop fan? Of course, I'm a K-pop fan. I stan a lot of girl groups. You shush. Tapos yung ano naman. Yung Asuka song. Ito ba yun? Sansanama? Ay, hindi at. Ito ba? May yung pangalan nun. Sa YouTube. Shimi, nanamakana shimi, nanamahanaga mashimana mashmash. Diba? Asuka. Paano ba yun? Wait eh. Asuka song. Zong. Ah, yung spelling ko ng song, Zong. Wow. Amazing. Why is it not showing Asuka song? Kasi Asuka Zong, wrong spelling pa nga yung song. Ano ba yan? Ito, Sansanama pala. Sansanama. Sansanama po ang kanta ni Asuka. belly dance. Kung lang mapapanood yung music video na ito. Oh, smaller. Papa-transition ako. Transition. Hi po. Hi, Ivy. Ito na. Transitionista. Ba't wala pa din? Ito na. Ba't parang wala pa siya? Nakakatasik na lang. Cha. Wala, dapat si Dio eh. That's si Dio. Ta. Go! I suggest the Filipino version. Oh, may Filipino version. Ah, yeah, yung piliin ng Pilipinas. Pwedeng mamaya or bukas? Pwedeng mamaya or bukas? Siguro kapag naka-goal tayo. Pag naka-goal tayo. Oo nga, dapat po maka-goal tayo ngayon para naman po ma-upload natin, di ba? Minsan na nga lang mag-live yung tao. Mukhang napaghandaan mo na talaga. Oh, syempre na. Ilang beses naman ko sa MYT. Eh, baby. Paborito natin. Atin. Parang nag-play. Tapos na play yung music. Tapos may nag-play. Spotify. Thank you, Kuya Marlon. Thank you, Cuddles Bear. Oo nga po pala, ano na po yung aking mga draft. Parang full na po siya. Kailangan ko na mag-upload. Kailangan ko na mag-upload. Full na siya. Wow! Siya yung sa Indian movie na Three Idiots. Ay, talaga? Wala na iba yung song. Omo. papatugtagin natin? Hmm. Ito ang ating favorites. Sige, mag-superwoman tayo later. Stalking to me daw. Wow. Gusto mo na rin pala yun, Kimbot. I'm the power, I take you under. Wow, iba pala yun. Stuck in the middle. Superwoman pala yun. I'm the power, take you under. But for now, we're gonna be rabbit. Ganto pala yun. Ganto yung ginawa ko. Oh yeah, I forgot. It was supposed to be like this. Pero kasi kid din naman yun. Diba? Hi, Vandal! Welcome to my life. Naruto Run! Hi! 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 Rabbit! Gusto ko magkaroon ng alagang rabbit na color pink yung eyes. Gusto ko yung espada ko yung yung sword ni Raiden Shogun. Raiden. Oh yeah, let's get my cactus. Cactus. Kahit na masakal, di ka tatakutan. Kahit ang kadiliman, di uulunan. Dahil ang pangarap ay pinaglalaban. Sa isyo na usay, di naroon. Na-miss niyo ba si Clactus? Kung na-miss niyo po si Clactus and Rose. Rose. Sam kay Rose ko na-miss niyo si Clactus. Mukhang walang nakamiss. Mukhang walang nakamiss. Ayun, si Cuddles Bear. Si Cuddles Bear lang bang nakamiss kay Clactus? Si Conando nakamiss kay Clactus. Hello! Nakakry na si Clactus. Oh, thank you. Okay guys, 6. 4 na lang. Nagbilang 4 na lang po. Tayo ay i-upload na ang Asuka. Asuka. Binigay si Rose. May tinik yan, di pwedeng espada. Haba na ng aking. Guys, you like this kind of long bangs? You like this kind of long bangs? Oh my god, I could literally see. Ano? Ganyan lang ako. Okay lang ba guys kung ganito lang po bangs ko? Pag na yung laptop ko. Magbabangs na ulit ako. Gantong haba. I'm gonna maintain this kind of, this kind of length of bangs. Oh. Para, diba? What is this? Emo era. Yeah. Emo era. Kabawen kaya ano na ako, pag 70 years old, magkakalbo na ako. Thank you, Edward. Can't you see it? Can't you feel it? Ay, can't you feel it? Can't you see it?
Can't you feel it? Can't you see it? 오묘하게 감정을
Where is my,
뭐든지 얻어
alam nyo kahit, mahaba na bangs, I still keep my bangs suklay.
놀라웠지만을 보여준 type I'm cool 숨겨지지 않아 It's my real stuff I got power Take you on there 내 쫓아낼 전부 모르니 It's my time baby 보여줘 who I am I got power 나는 follow You want to stop me again deny 이제는 내게 내 뒤를 바로 one step 너를 향하여 이렇게
Dance clap too. No, sayang nalubat na siya. Ka nalubat clap tools! Ah!
내게 그저 flash You don't need to worry about my friend 불꽃이 터지면 절대 꺼지지를 못해
May bias sa Eunice, Jelly, Alicia, Nana. Ang dami. Alam, gusto ko na si Koto ko. Yan, yung mga, hindi gusto ko, ay, sige. Sila muna yan. Sila tayo may top. You cannot pick between. Oh, yeah, pupunta pala sila dito sa Cebu. Oh, sa Cebu muna sila. Ay, hindi. Walang mind dito. Wala. Cactus nagdala. Kahit nakagaya lang yan. Ako, cactus. Sabi ko. Sige, ganito ako hanggang mag-end ang aking live. This will be my band hanggang end ng aking live. Kasi, why not? Mag-end na tayo. Maya-maya. Binakuran agad eh. Hi, Yugen! Hala, ang tagal mong nawala. Oh my gosh, what happened to you? Welcome back. Kamusta naman sa'yo, Yugen? Anong nangyari? What happened? What took you so long?
I'm the drama
Ay, hindi. Walang story. What? Walang story. Yung ano naman? Yung remix version. Dami lang individual activities. Oh, I see. Good luck fighting. Oh, yeah. Ilan na bang ating, 7! Tatlo na lang, guys. Upload na natin ang ating Asuka Challenge. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Ba't hindi ka namapansin? Share ko lang, attend me fans na yung uni sa weekend. Wow! OMG! Have fun! Bahay na lang po sa akin. Bahay po ako kay Jelly, kay Alicia, kay Koto ko, tapos kay Nana. Pasabi po na I love her. I love her. And they're so pretty and talented. Paggalawin mo nga yung katabi. Do you want me to pana your heart? Wow!
Pulling me in,
Pushing me out.
pulling me back again. To know if your mind is made up, but I know that nobody wanna be stuck.
Dami ko din gastos dahil sa upcoming concerts. Yeah, IU is coming here. IU.
When we're together,
Sino pa ba?
even there, give me the keys to your heart. You made me believe from the start.
IU.
What I know is I get all this LOV.
I've Itzy. Oh my gosh. Siguro, sa ano na lang ako? Sa labas. Doon na lang ako magko-concert sa labas nila. Ay, magko-concert? Manonood sa labas ng arena. Ano? Ay, celebrity ni IU. Oh, yeah. Sa ay punta ka. Ay, I wanna see Wonyang, Rhea, si Litzy. Ay, Litzy! What? Shockeries? Si Liz! OMG! How can I? I go. Litzy. Hindi kasi yung cute kasi ni Liz. Kaya, Litzy. Oh no.
I see the look upon your face, set the mark in the embrace.
Sino si Litzy? Oh,
When I
chinchay.
start to walk your way, I wanna hear what you would say. You got a standard and right to choose. 'Cause all those girls know what you
Oh yeah, pakinggan natin yung 7 version na
to make you never leave. If I come close, baby, would you like that? If I give some more, you'll give it right back. If you show you that I know where it's at, baby, would you like that? Baby,
Ay,
would you like that?
sheesh pala, butter pala yun, butter up.
You feel way better than your dreams. If I show you that I know where it's at.
Yun nandun si Ayon. Litzy. Galing ni Liz nung kinanta yung Love Wins All. Oh, OMG. Let's play that next. Love Wins All.
I'm on a mission, don't need permission. No matter what, I'm gonna make my own decisions. I'm talking you want.
Oh yeah, let's patagtag that to the band version.
Remember me, sting like a bee. 굶주린 살짝 같은 personality.
Hello, OMG, I'm only 496 MB.
I will never do you wrong.
Oh no! I think, yeah, siguro itong after 2 songs, I'm gonna end my life. Ano? Guys, reminder po sa ating goal. I hope we can reach our goal today para naman ma-upload natin yung ating aso pa, no? Opo. Let's go, guys. Hindi po kasi yung wifi po namin sira po siya ngayon. May sira siya ngayon po. Kaya nag-data po ako ngayon. Lagi siyang nasisira. Ah, sinchay.
Remember me, sting like a bee. 무대를 닦고 노는 우린 MVP.
Tapos load mo nun mamaya. Yeah, kasi nanood din po ako nung Mashel. Ang dami kong gusto panoorin ngayon kahit ang dami mga activities to do. Gusto ko pa rin mag-watch talaga. Mag-watch. At the same time, mag-learn ng dance.
So listen up, everybody. So you can move on. We are the monsters of the world. Better up, 지금 당겨보자 어디든. Let me show you who we are. Better up, everybody. So you can move on. We are the monsters of the world. Better up, 지금 당겨보자 어디든. Let me show you who we are. Better up. I see the look upon your face. Set the mark in the embrace. Never keep staring.
Ay, so wala dito sa Spotify. Sa
Let's just start to
YouTube.
walk your way. I wanna hear what you would say. You got our standards and I do too. 'Cause all those girls know what you need. But I know, the way to make sure you never leave.
Ito ba yung 30 minutes?
Come
Oh,
close,
yeah.
baby, would you like that? If I give some more, you'll give it right back. To show you that I know where it's at, baby, would you like that? Baby, would you like that? Say one love, boy, know what that means.
Girl Miracle Serum with Naya Sorcinol for ultimately clear skin from 3 days.
30 minutes.
Let's get it.
Vince Olney cover ni Liz.
Here is telling my universe. 날 데려가줄래?
Di ba fan din si Liz ni IU. She loves IU too.
떠올릴 수 없는 곳으로 저기 멀리 from Earth to Mars 꼭 같이 가줄래? 그곳이 어디든 오랜 외로움
Everyone loves IU talaga. Yun eh.
찾아서 어떤 실수
What if?
이토록 우리는 함께일까?
Ay, hindi. This is our challenge.
세상에서도 멈춰버려 나는 화저 끝까지 가져 말라봐 나쁜 길만일까 길을 우리
I think I saw you in the mall. Paano niyo po ako makikita sa mall na hindi po ako lumalabas ng bahay? Hindi po ako pupunta ng mall. School at bahay lang po. Baka iba po yun. Ay, kamukha ko pala. Hi from Europe. Hi Europe. Baka isang Clariel. Di ba, meron sa TikTok, sabi kapag may nakita ka daw doppelganger, ay di, someone who looks like you, run daw. Looks like you. Thank you, Natsu. Dalawa na lang, guys. Dalawa na lang po. May isa pa tayong song para ma-reach natin ang dalawa. Wow, may song. Thank you, Cuddles Bear. Isa na lang. Isa na lang po. Tatalo na po si Cactus.
좋다. 네. 뭔가 한 곡으로서 듣기 좋았.
Thank you, Bill. Thank you for the rose. Lovely Ronnie. Ayan ba yung K-drama?
하나 둘 셋 멋진 라이브를 예쁘게 봐주셔서 그러면
Baby, I'm a monster. Oh no, you're gonna. I see you in summer. You know you're in trouble. Ooh, 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 ooh. 날 봐, 뭉쳐봐. 어차피 손바닥 위에서 못 나가. You know that. 눈 뜨는 순간 피어나. All eyes on me. 불을 질러라. Don't worry, all my life. Yeah, you ain't seen nothing yet. got them all going.
Maglagay kaya tayo na... Ay, hindi. We're gonna log pala.
You know what it is, everybody is pull up in a ghost, pick up, boo hoo. Vroom, vroom, need a shit, take it, pop, 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 pedal to the metal. Click, clack, click, put it up to the sky, high, 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 high. All eyes on me, 불을 질러라. All day, all my life, yeah, you ain't seen nothing yet. Got them all going. Yeah, everybody on it. Yeah, got them all going.
Yes, of course! I love that. Also,
Time's up. 올라가 더. 고데기로. 하늘 위로. Fly away. All the time 뒤집어. Let's fly. Baby, I'm a monster. It's live, are you ready?
it's live, are you ready? Talagang sinabi ni Aya na they're not lip-sync. They're singing it live. May bias saan? May bias where? Blackpink? Ang bias ko sa Blackpink. nani kore? 이거 다시
안녕하세요, 베이비몬스터입니다.
감사합니다.
네.
저희
Hey guys,
가 오늘
ano
처음
na.
미스친 라이브에 나오게 됐는데요. 너무
Miracle Serum with Naya Sorcinol for ultimately clear skin from 3 days. A new miracle.
Bini po. Bini. My bias sa Bini is si Gwen. Super love ko yung sense of fashion niya.
네, 인사드리겠습니다.
Ang galing niya manamit. I love her.
네, 저희
And,
아이가 처음으로 이렇게 이치라이브
Nung nakita ko siya it was like, whoa, she's so tall. She's
네, 저희 IM이라는
she's so good at
곡은요,
dancing. Like, ang lakas ng dating niya when she's performing.
가지고 주체적인 삶의
Though
틀을
lahat sila
가지자는
magaling
메시지를
sumayaw.
담았습니다.
But
자, 우리
Gwen
멤버들
caught my
준비되나요?
attention. My attention! You got me looking for attention!
Let's go!
Wow! New jeans! Yeah, so yun is, apat talaga bias ko. Cause why not, diba? Bakit? May rule ba na isa lang dapat ang bias? Kating na siya. Naman din siya, ma. Alright. Bye-bye. Bye-bye! Biglang bumalik. I want to go to IVE talaga. I want to go to IVE. What? I wanna watch. Bye-bye! Thank you, Banda! Upload natin bukas. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching my live. Sakto nag-lowbat na rin yung aking laptop. Kasi hindi siya charge. Ayun lang po for tonight. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching. See you next year. Ah! Ano ito? Nag-brown out ba to? Pumutok na naman ba yung poste sa labas? Ah, chinchay, oh. Guys, don't leave me. Nakakanood ko ng Conjuring kanina. Bye-bye po. I-check lang naman yung poste ko. Hindi, naka-on kasi yung ring light ko. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.